Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your Acer Nitro 5 exact model and its drive bays. Check the service manual or Acer support page for M2280 slot compatibility. Decide whether you need an NVMe PCIe drive for maximum speed or an SATA drive for lower cost. Consider capacities like 512 GB or 1 TB based on storage needs. Always back up your current system to an external drive or cloud before opening the laptop. Verify you have a compatible screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap ready. Power down the laptop completely, unplug all cables, and remove any external devices attached. If your model allows, remove the internal battery or disconnect it to prevent shorts. Ground yourself using an anti-static wrist strap or touch a metal object frequently while working. Unscrew the back panel screws using a magnetic Phillips screwdriver and lift the panel carefully. Locate the M2 slot and the standoff screw that holds the drive at the correct angle. Insert the M2280 SSD at about a 30-degree angle and press it down gently to secure it with the standoff screw. If you want to keep your current system, clone the old drive to the new SSD using Macrium Reflect or similar software. Alternatively, prepare Windows installation media on a USB stick for a fresh install and choose the new drive during setup. Enter BIOS on first boot to enable OSI mode and confirm UEFI or legacy settings match your installation media. Adjust Secure Boot only if the installer requires it, then save and restart. After installation, install chipset and storage drivers, run smart checks, and verify the OS recognizes full drive capacity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.